Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to start an LLC in Kentucky. Kentucky LLC Formation Guide. So let's get started. So now if you're looking to start an LLC in Kentucky, you have come to the right place. Kentucky's low formation fees and business-friendly environment make it a great state to launch your company. In this video, I am going to guide you through the 5 simple steps to form your LLC in Kentucky. But before we jump in, remember, if you want to avoid the paperwork and save time, check out Northwest Registered Agent. They will handle all of your LLC formation processes for just $39, and you'll get a free year of registered agent service. The link is in the description below. So now step 1, name your LLC. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC. Your business name must include the phrase Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations like LLC. Kentucky also prohibits certain words like bank or attorney unless you meet additional requirements. So to make sure your chosen name is available, you would want to go and perform a name search on Kentucky Secretary of State website. So it's sos.ky.gov, as you can see right here. And now from here, once you're here in this website, you want to click here on business. And now from here, you would want to click here on business entity search. And now once you're here, all you have to do is just type out the business name or LLC name that you have in mind right here so that you'll be able to verify if there are any other businesses that has the same exact name as you. And you just click on search after doing that, or you can just show for active entities only, and you can also search for city name and zip codes, but what you need is the business name. Now that you have your LLC name, it's time to proceed to step number 2, which is to appoint a registered agent. Kentucky requires every LLC to have a registered agent. This agent is responsible for receiving official documents like legal papers on behalf of your business. You can act as your own registered agent, but many business owners prefer to hire a professional service for privacy and convenience. Hiring Northwest Registered Agent for only $39 not only simplifies the process, but keeps your personal address off public records. They also ensure that you don't miss any important legal filings. The link is in the description for this great deal. And now let's move on to step number 3, which is to file the articles of organization. The next step is to file your article of organization with the state of Kentucky. This document officially forms your LLC. You can file online, by mail, or in person. The filing fee is $40. In this step, you'll also need to decide whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. If all members are involved in day-to-day operations, go with member managed, but if you plan to appoint managers to run things, then manager managed is the way to go. And now step number 4, which is to create an operating agreement. While Kentucky doesn't require an operating agreement, it's a good idea to have one. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, including member roles, ownership percentages, and profit distribution. Having an operating agreement is also crucial when opening a business bank account or if your LLC has multiple members to avoid any disputes later on. And now finally, step number 5, which is to obtain an EIN. The final step is to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This is a federal tax ID for your business, and it's required if you plan to open a business bank account, hire employees, or file taxes. The good news is that getting an EIN is free and can be done online through the IRS website. We've included the link below to help you get started. And that's it. By following these 5 steps, you'll have your Kentucky LLC up and running in no time. But if you'd rather skip the hassle, let Northwest Registered Agent handle everything for you. For just $39, you'll get a free year of registered agent services and peace of mind that everything is done correctly. Click the link in the description below to get started. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.